So the data highs basically just got reached, which is nice to see. That gives us confirmation to price being bullish. And as we can see right now, we run out that data high. So basically, I could see maybe, as we can see up here, this does look like it could be a nice strong liquidity, these equal highs up here, as we can see. Basically the PM and the London session high from yesterday, so that could be nice to see. So yeah, basically we're looking at we run out these data highs, run on buy side liquidity, which is nice to see, and we did that on basically both pairs. Or no, actually we ES at the moment is kind of lagging behind NQ at the moment. So yeah, at the moment I'm probably going to be more bullish. Basically only because we just ran this high, and at the moment we're kind of like seeing a market maker buy model from this large sell model. We have nice equal highs, and we have some low resistance liquidity. So I'm basically long or bullish today. Yeah, at the moment we're just pumping higher from that 935. I just want to see ES following on up on that bullish bias. That would be nice to see. But I'm not 100% sure if ES is going to do that. Yeah, I'm probably going. Yeah, I think price action is going to reach the equal highs up here within. Yeah, basically within this AM session, price should reach the equal highs up here. I would definitely like to see that. But at the moment, we're just pumping higher. And we also did reach the data highs on ES, which I like to see to clarify that bullish bias, as you can see right here. Now it's just a matter if we're going to run or sweep. I would like to see a run, because that would mean we're bullish, of course. And MNQ at the moment, yeah, we definitely ran that high. Are we bullish or bearish? That's the question. Because yesterday we were pretty bearish. But yeah, we haven't really seen this kind of price action in like the past 3 days. Price just pumping higher. So maybe this is the reversal point, and maybe we're going to reach the all-time highs. Because I am more bullish on the higher time frame. Definitely the daily time frame on ES. As in my opinion, it looks way more bullish. I don't really see. Of course, I could understand why people would be bearish, as we've seen bearish time frames on the lower time frame, and that may affect your view on the higher time frame. But personally, I'm going to be more bullish. So we are bullish at the moment. Sorry if my arrow is ugly, but yeah, get the best out of it. So at the moment, we're bullish. Yes, pretty much lagging behind. Not really the strongest pair at the moment. So we have to rely on NQ today, I think. That's all right. as we can see right now, we have a lot of low resistance liquidity on the high time frame. So if I go up here to the 4 time frame, you can see we got that perfect LR. Definitely also on the daily time frame. Look at this. This is beautiful. So we got nice LR at the moment. If you also go to the, let's just say the 1 hour time frame, we didn't really get a run here on buy side liquidity, but right now we can see we are starting to move higher again. Let's just move down to the 15-minute time frame. Looks like we're going to reach these highs up here. Yeah, this could be a order block. So I would like to see, you know, price not returning to some of the Favaldi gaps, such as this Favaldi gap right here, because when price doesn't return to these Favaldi gaps, it basically means that price is going to be willing to respect breakaway gaps, and basically when price respects breakaway gaps, that leads into price being more bullish. So we can hope that. So yeah, we can also see we do have some LR on the 15-minute time frame to the downside at the moment. This could be this large bearish candle could be an order block if we make a nice delivery from this Favaldi gap. So I'd like to see this being a order block at the moment. Want to see OB. That would be nice. ES, is it following up? I don't think so. I think we are more bearish. Yeah, we are pretty much more bearish here on ES. We swept at equal highs, so we definitely have to align in MNQ if we're going to be bullish today. I think we're going to get some support from this Favaldi gap. If we're more bearish, I want to see price go into a premium of this range. But to be honest, I just want to see price move higher from premium, discount of this range. But I just want to see price move higher even from the premium Favaldi gaps. I want to be that bullish. So yeah, let's just see if that's going to happen. Okay, looks like we're probably going to close above this 1 minute. Maybe we're probably maybe going to create an order block off of this. It would be nice to see, because that would lead into, you know, higher prices, or price could get some support moving higher. That would be nice to see. Basically, yes, it's following up on that bullish bias at the moment. Looks more bearish. Oh, oops. It's because I'm thirsty. Yeah, we're getting some support from this Favaldi gap right here. This one right here. So basically, I think if we go over here to ES right now, we can see that price is moving down into this order block right here. If we use our Fibonacci tool from this level all the way up to the high, or rectangle tool, we can see that price is trading around that consequent encouragement at the moment. If you also go up to, let's just say, NQ again, we're kind of disrespecting this Favaldi gap. We're probably going to close beneath it, meaning we are going to reach into this discount of this dealing range. I would like to see some support from this volatility gap right here. To be honest, I would like to see price not at all reach these volatility gaps because they could be seen as breakaway gaps, but price didn't really do that. So we're getting some sweep on liquidity over on ES at the moment. We've just swept sell side liquidity or created equal lows. That's not really the best to see. Looks like we're going to reach into this discount for the gap. This could be a potential IVG trade entry. As we see, we exactly didn't really close beneath this volatility gap, which is nice to see. That means we could be moving higher from now. Yeah, we are getting some support from that discount for the league gap here. As we can see, at the moment we're trading between this volatility gap and this volatility gap up here. It's just about which one price is going to use to move higher or lower. We swept sell side liquidity on ES. So that's nice to see for extra confirmation. 2-minute time frame is looking decent on ES. MNQ 2-minute time frame, yeah, it's alright. It's not that bad. I just don't want to see choppy price action today, to be honest. It's not really nice to see. Overall, especially now that that is a high impact news day today, so we wouldn't really be expecting, consolidations and so on. But yeah, it's really up to what price is going to do. Maybe we could reach all the way down to this volatility right here, which ran out the data highs. But yeah, that probably means we're going to be a bit more bearish, as I would see this as a breakaway gap. ES looking way more bearish than NQ right now, as we can see right here. I didn't really expect that, to be honest, because as we have seen recently, ES have been way more bullish than NQ. So yeah, that is a bit concerning if we're bullish today. I would say so. We have basically not any SMT at the moment, as far as I'm seeing. We're starting to move higher here on MNQ, getting support from this volatility gap right here, as we anticipated, because it is within a discount. So yeah, this high up here could be a drawn liquidity, or I would want to see this high up here being run out, or run on liquidity if we're going to continue that bullish bias. I can move this arrow right here. There. Okay, so bit bearish here. We're probably going to make a IVG here. Depends on this candle, actually. If we're going to close bullish, maybe. But this, yeah, okay, we closed bullish, but I don't really think it's enough. ES kind of just consolidating at the moment. Not looking very good at the moment, I would say. Not the best IVG, to be honest. I mean, we got a good delivery, I would say. But yeah, you could say this could be a trade entry, I would say so. Hmm. Mm. Not really going to get a close above this one. Or maybe we are going to. Yeah, we're probably going to get close. Don't think we're going to get a retracement actually. Would be pretty bearish if we get a retracement. Or just wouldn't really make sense to me as we have now this high right here, internal. Yeah, we reached the internal, so no trade entry there, sadly. Yes, also moving higher now. I'd like to see that, following along with the NQ bias. It's nice to see the bias line on both time frames, as it could mean good price action. Probably going to see a run on liquidity here. Yes, strongly following along with the bias at the moment. We are pretty bullish, as we can see right here. It is following along. I want to see IVG here. Did we get one? I don't think so. No, we didn't actually. ENQ. I want to see a big candle close above that high. Yeah. I want to see a lot of displacement above it. Solid close. Creating a Vivaldi gap. Want to see a breakaway gap off that. And prices continuing higher. Reaching our drawn liquidity up here. That would be nice. So we broke through this stealing range. Got support from the discount Vivaldi gap. Bottom right there. So at the moment it's going really good for the bullish bias. I wouldn't say there has been a lot of IVG entries. Maybe some down here, but as you can see, price was just kind of just trading within a range, up and down. Here we are seeing some expansion. That's where we can catch some nice trade entries. Doesn't really look like we're going to run out this high up here at the moment. Looks like we're going to close beneath this, yeah. Wow. We don't really have reached any high up here. Does not look good at the moment for bullish bias. Yeah, because we closed. Did we close actually? Yeah, we just closed beneath that. That's not nice to see. If we're bullish, should I just turn this around? At the moment, it looks like, yeah, I think we're just going to wait out this candle, to be honest. Not really much to say right here. Okay, we are getting some support, but it's just a question, but from where? Yeah, we got SMT at this low right here. Are we going to get a lot of support from this? That's the question. So we got SMT right here. Is it going to hold? That depends on the bias. SMT right there at the bottom. This could be IFG, this right here, but I'm not really sure about that. We are within a macro at the moment, which is nice to see. Could be some trade entries. We're just moving lower at the moment on both pairs. That SMT isn't really getting respected. We just ran out liquidity again. Sell side already, or sorry, swept sell side. Okay. I'm just looking at ES at the moment. Not really much, to be honest. I mean, I think maybe we could see some IFGs right here, but I mean, that means we're going to reclaim this Valdega right here, and I just want to get a simple plain IFG trade entry. Not anything more, not anything less. So I'm probably not going to take this one right here if it aligns with my trading rules and everything. But maybe on ES. It looks alright on ES. It doesn't look bad, to be honest. Maybe we're going to get a closure here on ES. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, right there. But yeah, it doesn't look like at the moment. I want to see, a full expansion candle above that, getting a nice close retracement and then rally higher. But I'm not seeing that at the moment. MNQ, it's looking alright. SMT is holding, which is nice. I think maybe we're going to get a close above it on ES at the moment. Yeah, we got a close above it on ES, and we got a retracement. Wow. So let me just show you guys on ES. Where's ES? Right there. So this is how ES is looking. This could be a trade entry, I would say so. I mean, we got a nice sweep. We got a drawn liquidity. And yeah, I don't really know where stop loss should be. It should be right there, I think. Yeah, the stop loss is kind of... I don't really know where the stop loss should be in this trade right here, to be honest. I think maybe it should be... I wouldn't really say at the low. I think, yeah, right there, to get a 2 RR. But at the same time, price could come all the way down here, reach your stop loss, and then move higher again. Whoa. I didn't really expect that. Wow. Okay. Okay, wow. What just happened there? We don't really have any news. That's some strong delivery right there. Very, very strong delivery. Okay, that's, I guess, nice to see if you're bullish. Why did price do that? I'm not really sure. Okay. What about MNQ? Did it also get a strong bullish reaction? Yeah, it did, actually. Now I want to see a run up here for more confirmation. and we are soon to reach our drawn liquidity. So at the moment, our anticipations are actually pretty good, and yeah, we're good at anticipating the drawn liquidity, as we can see right here. Reached the, let me just check. No, we have not reached yesterday's PM session, which would be nice to see get reached within, I would say, 3 minutes or so, before the 10 a.m. I would say. Looks like we're going to get maybe a sweep on ES and this high right here. I wouldn't like to see that. If we're bullish, looks like we have ran out this high, meaning we're bullish again. Now we're just waiting for this high to get reached. More. I think NQ is getting a lot of support at the moment. From this SMT down here, that are from the discount for Value Gap, looking actually pretty good. Yeah. Basically, I'm just waiting to see if price is going to reach this raw liquidity up here at the moment. I think it's probably going to. It would make sense for me. Yeah. I think we're just going to run out these highs again and again and again, to be honest. It looks like it. How is the 4 hour looking? Because we're going to get a 4 hour close. Yeah, this 4 hour close is, wow, it's a bullish 4 hour close. Oh. So yeah, we're going to reach out on liquidity now. We should reach it. This is really nice to see for a bullish bias at the moment. Getting a very nice 4 hour bullish close right here. And that means we're probably going to reach these equal highs up here. Let me just go on the 1 hour, 1 hour nice close, 15 minute nice close. So yeah, we're really bullish at the moment, and we're probably going to reach these equal highs up here. Looks like it. We're just waiting at the moment, waiting to see if price action is going to give any trade entries. Yeah. We're probably going to create a Value Gap right here, which price could use to push price higher all the way up to our drawn liquidity. But I was just want to see price reach it right now. So yeah, we have been really good anticipating the price action, to be honest. Like, we anticipated it all the way from like down here at 9:30 when the stream started. So that's nice. Now we're just waiting to see if price is going to reach our draw on liquidity. 2 plus. Yeah, looks like we're going to use this for the Liga right here to push price higher at the moment. Or maybe we're going to make close beneath it. That's the question. So basically, so far there's been one trade entry which have been in my mind at the moment, because look at ES. I thought about taking this one right here, but I wanted to only didn't really want to have such a wide stop loss. And if I were to have like this stop loss right here, which I wanted to have, then it wouldn't really be effective, because price could easily have reached down here and then just moved higher. But yeah, so that's why I didn't really take that one. MNQ, still maybe the big. This would be nice to see actually. This one right here, too high price action. ES is following along. We don't really have equal highs. We just have a London high on ES. I can just show you right here. We just have this London high. So I want to see that also get reached. Same with MNQ at the moment. So we reached this Vivaldi gap right here, which was a breakaway gap before. So maybe price is going to use this now to push price higher. Maybe we can see. Wait 2 seconds. Let me just check right here. Copy that. Okay. So right there. So yeah, it looks like we're going to get some support from this Liga right here. That would be nice to see. ES isn't really that bearish compared to NQ at the moment. It looks like it's probably going to be the strong leader right there, as we can see. It's not that bearish compared to MNQ. So yeah. Maybe we're going to reach this area right here. It would make sense, in my opinion, for price to reach all the way up here now that we have just left a high. So we have like triple equal highs. Could be the price is going to reach it. I don't really know when, but probably within the same session. That would make the most sense, in my opinion, to reach this high up here. Yeah, but just moving higher from this Valdigia right here at the moment. Have we reached any algorithmic signatures? No, we haven't. How's 2 minute looking? It's all right. So yeah, not bad, not that bad price action. I would say it's definitely one of the best days we have had so far within these past like 3 or 4 days. I would say so. So that's nice to see. I would say at least some good price actions for good days. Let's just zoom out. Let's see. The only IFG I'm looking at, or potential IFG, is this one right here. But yeah, I don't really think price is going to reach it. Let me just delete this down here. So, okay, so we can see this. I want to see an IFG if we're going to see any. I want to see some support from down here. We are getting support from the rest of this Valdivia right here. So yeah, it's looking pretty bullish at the moment. And ES is kind of following along. We're not really getting any specific delivery from ES, but yes, following with the bullish bias. So it's all right. So let's just check. Okay, so price just not moving that much compared to what we saw just before. It's kind of just stable at the moment, I would say so. Yeah, it's pretty stable. We're not really seeing that many price fluctuations at the moment. We're just slowly moving higher. And it's alright. If you're within a trade, that's nice then. Yeah, it's alright. Price action, it's not bad. Yeah, it doesn't really look. It looks pretty boring. There's nothing really to say at the moment. Yeah, we actually reached down here. Not yeah, probably going to close beneath it, or maybe not. Yeah, we did. So, looks pretty bearish at the moment. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish. You think it's probably going to, if we're bullish, it's probably going to close above this right here, create an order block, move that into that order block, move higher again. That would actually be nice to see, to be honest. Hey, what's up? Say ho. Just depends. Maybe we're going to see an order block here. That would be nice to see. So we aren't really getting any delivery at the moment from down here. I would want to see that, because when we are getting delivery from like a Vivaldi gap or anything like that, it kind of gives us confirmation that we are probably going to move higher from now. But if price is just moving higher without any reason, I'm not going to trust the bias as much because I want to see that nice delivery. But at the moment, we're not really seeing that. Mm. Yeah, we're probably going to move lower. I ain't really seeing any reason why to move higher other than this IVG right here, but I would like to see algorithmic signature to then move higher. Hmm. At the moment, we're just trading within this IVG. Looks like maybe we're going to reclaim it, actually. No. Hmm. Maybe just move this arrow. Looks like it's just really just chopping around within this IVG and this Vivaldi gap. So it's just chopping around at the moment. Not looking good at the moment. I don't really want to get caught in this kind of price action. But if you look at the high time frame, it looks alright, to be honest. Doesn't really look that bad. Like the 50-minute. Hmm. So my initial draw on liquidity is probably just these equal highs up here because like we have three equal highs right here, one up here, one up here, and one up here. It doesn't really make sense at the moment for price to reverse. Yeah, so I'd like to see maybe a IVG to take a trade entry all the way up there, but it could be risky. But my initial draw on liquidity is definitely these highs up here. Hmm. So yeah, we are delivering from now. Looks like maybe we're going to move higher. Maybe we're going to reclaim this well. The gap could be. But I'm still bullish, to be honest. Yeah, looks like it's hard to anticipate. We just have to wait for this candle close. Ten seconds till close. Got like a kind of sweep right here, as you can see, but it's really the most significant sweep, so it could make price move lower. Yeah, we're probably going to move lower now. We're just waiting. So really chubby price action. We're just trading within this candle, the 10-9 candle. We're trading within the high and the low of it. So kind of just consolidating at the moment. I want to see one of the sides get broken before we can anticipate, higher price action. So it could be that price maybe is going to purge the low for then moving a lot higher, reaching our nice drawn liquidity all the way up here. Could be. But we're just waiting. Just looks like going to reach that low. Definitely looks like it. Yeah, reached the low, so yeah. It's all right. All right. Just take some water. 2 seconds. All right, I am back. So, wow, we've gone a lot lower now. Oh wow. Okay, didn't really expect that. I mean, that's all right. Nice to see. If we're bearish, of course. Sweep on low right here. Maybe going to move higher now. Looks like maybe we're going to get a delivery. I don't really want to see a price get under here if we're going to reach this strong liquidity within the AM session. Doesn't really look like we're going to. I mean, we have this FG. 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't really like it, to be honest. But depends on if we're going to create a full Liga right here. But we're definitely moving higher on ES right now. We're getting a strong delivery from this sell side. Could be, IRL, ERL, triple equal highs up here. So basically, it looks like we're going to move from internal range liquidity to the external range liquidity. ERL. IRL, ERL. Pretty simple. Could look like an IFG right here. As we didn't really create one down here. But we're just waiting. Maybe we can see price reach like this. Yeah, I don't really. If price going to reach down here, I don't think we're going to reach this drawn liquidity or our equal highs up here within the AM session. Unless we're really, really bullish and we're going to expand a lot. Other than that, I don't see price reach this nice triple equal highs right here. But it's actually very surprising that price didn't reach up here. I was anticipating it. Look at that perfect low resistance liquidity right there. So that kind of shocked me, to be honest. Retail traders must be having fun at the moment, the trend line. But yeah, we're just waiting. I don't know if price is going to move higher from now. Kind of glad I didn't really take the trade. I was wondering if I should take a trade like down here, but I didn't. So I'm kind of glad I didn't do that, to be honest. I did not like price action that much, but it was not horrible, to be honest. Like, it's not like you couldn't trade it at all. But I chose not to do it, so it's fine. But yeah, pretty boring price action at the moment. Just waiting. Price went down there, so it doesn't really look like it's going to be the low that's going to push price higher. So, Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. So we basically just tap under that IRL. We did it again. I don't like to see that, to be honest, because we don't really have any SMT here on both pairs. So we're basically just waiting. There's not much else to do. Just gotta be patient and wait for the next trade. Not really any IFG. Maybe this one up here, but yeah. Gotta take the arrow with us. Gives luck. So basically, if we're going to be bullish, I would like to see a run on liquidity up here. Going to look at this one. We have that V shape, as I sometimes talk about, you know, the sell side delivery, buy side delivery, balance price range. BPR at IRL. Maybe we're going to go up to ERL, which is our draw on liquidity. But we just have to wait now. Just have to be patient. ES is looking way more bullish at the moment. Let me just show you ES on the 15-minute. ES right here, looking kind of bullish at the moment. Think maybe it's, I don't really know which pair is going to reach the London highs first, ES or NQ. That's the question. If they are going to even, it's not secured. But yeah, I would like to see that. At least one of those two. Let me just see. Which pair would reach the yes, London. Yes, yesterday London high. NQ, ES, or it won't. Alright guys, what do you think? I just started a poll. Would price either, which pair would reach the 19,692? The 0.75. Is it ES or NQ? Wait, hold on, let me just, did I write wrong? In which pair would reach the 19,692? That's 75. ES / ES. Yesterday London high. I think I probably spelled that wrong, but yeah, don't mind it, guys. What do you think? Which one is going to reach first on the London high? And let me just check on NQ. The draw on liquidity. Which one is price going to reach first? NQ, yeah, could see that. Definitely because of that bullish price action at the moment. NQ levels equal highs. High. Yeah. ICT NQ levels equal highs. Yeah, I would understand. Wait, ICT's levels on that. It is. It does make the most sense because why wouldn't price want to reach up there? It's like it's triple equal highs, nice trend line or low resistance liquidity. So it's like a nice sweet drawn liquidity. So for us traders, we just have to figure out what kind of trade we're going to ride it all up to the drawn liquidity up here. Is it going to be a Favelli gap? Is it going to be a IFG? We just have to find out, guys. Just have to find out. I would like to maybe do it on an IFG, to be honest. But yeah, depends on what is going to show up. I'm just going to follow my strategy. What about you guys? Which trade are you looking for right now? You're looking for FEG, IFG, whatever. Okay, so we saw closure above this IFG. Doesn't look like we're going to make a trace mid. If we're going to make an immediate rebalance at the wick or at the tick, right here we can see it's going to be a nice algorithmic signature. Would like to see that. Could be the trade entry we're going to take all the way up to our drawn liquidity level. Maybe, maybe not. Just have to figure it out. Yes, extremely bullish at the moment. We just took out the AM high, as we see right here. Just took out the recent AM high, so maybe it's going to be ES that's going to reach this high first. But I'm definitely certain that one of these two pairs are going to reach it. So we can see that price just tapped down to that IFG. Is it going to push price higher? So basically, if you were to take a trade entry based on this, I would say you should put your stop loss right right there. Take profit all the way up here. We're going to take FEG entry. Yeah, it's also good. FEG is definitely, I would say, if you don't trade the IFG, trade the FEG. I would like to stay within the FEG range, but yeah, it's all up to you. So this looks very nice, as we can see this right here, guys. I hope one of you maybe took it. We have it both on the 3-minute and 2-minute time frame. Then you know it's good. So yeah, break even would be at this level right here. This would be break even, this high. So we're just waiting to see what price is going to do. Not really any trade entries on ES because it's kind of leading more to the bullish side, so it's not really creating any bearish Favelli gaps, as we can see. But yeah, so NQ is probably going to be the one which you are going to take a trade entry on. So yeah. Stop loss be down here, I would say. So this is a nice 5 risk reward ratio. I'd say you could get out of it. 5 RRR, guys. Let's see it. I mean, if you could catch a 5 risk reward ratio trade every day, that would be nice. But yeah, it's not everyday price offers that kind of opportunities, so we just have to be patient. We also have to look out for SMTs because we do actually have a SMT down here. This is a SMT at the moment. This right here. So we do have to be careful. But yeah, if price is bullish, this SMT shouldn't be valid. So I would say there's probably been like 1 or 2 trade opportunities at the moment. So yeah. Okay, we reached break even, guys. Reached break even. So now your stop loss should be up here at break even. Where is it? Let me just find it again. So right there. So yeah, now there should be no risk in this trend tree. I'd like to see price run out this high, this break even high. But yeah, it just depends. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm. We're creating immediate rebalance. If we create immediate rebalance right here, that would give extra confirmation to this trend tree, meaning price is probably going to move higher. So yeah, if we create immediate rebalance at this level, I think this trend tree is definitely going to work. Yeah, this is probably going to be the last trend tree before we reach the drawn liquidity / equal highs, because look at IRL sweep. 5-minute looks like a sweep. 15-minute looks alright. ES following along with the bias. So at the moment, I'm not seeing anything that specifically should make price reverse, other than like an annoying high like this one. Yeah. So market maker sell model, market maker buy model. MSS versus MMB or MMSMMM. Yeah, MMBM. I think it's that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so basically we're just waiting to see if price is going to move higher from here. This would be a break-even trade. Maybe you took one partial off of this high if you are trading multiple contracts at the moment. So let's just call this one partial. This is probably going to be like, yeah, I wouldn't, let's say you should take it partial up here. Just go for the full ride up here. It should be set at the moment, because one partial is good enough. You have already made profit. You're not going to lose anything. So it's all right. Okay. Not much going on right now. Not that volatile price action. Price isn't moving a lot at the moment. We're kind of staying at the same level. So we're just waiting to see what price is going to do. Yeah, we're maybe going to create a doji candle right here. Depends on how much volatility there's going to be released into the market at the moment. Okay, looks like we're moving higher again. Would like to see like a bullish trend be formed right now. Sweeping highs again and again and again. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, not much going on at the moment. Let me just, how was the 1 minute looking? Yeah, not much for the 1 minute time frame, to be honest. Still, we want to see high price action. Why? Yeah. So we're just seeing immediate rebalances at the moment. I would like to see like that push price higher. But yeah, we're just waiting, sitting on our hands at the moment, seeing if price wants to move higher. So yeah. just want to add an alert to that. Yes. Okay, so we almost reached it on ES, the London High. If we're going to reach it before NQ, you guys were wrong. 2 have voted for NQ. I'm just joking. Yeah, we're probably going to reach it now on ES. So yeah, we anticipated price action, stability, draw on liquidity. So yeah, today have been pretty nice. It's not been bad, I would say. Hope you guys took some great trade entries. But price action isn't over yet. We must remember that. I hope the quality of the stream is good. Because it said something else. I don't know what that is. Okay, it's alright. Nice. Just waiting. Seeing if price action is going to reach our drawn liquidity all the way up here. At the moment, it looks like this is just going to be a break-even trade. We're still waiting. One partial. If you took this one, then you should have gotten like at least one partial off of this, so you should be in profit. Not many trade opportunities offered on ES. We're still very, very close to that AM session high, or the London high, from yesterday. So looks like we're probably going to reach this drawn liquidity all the way up here. Looks like it, definitely. And that's also what I would like to see. But we're just waiting. Gotta be patient. So maybe we're just going to run on this high over here. That would be nice to see. Okay, so basically we just reached on ES, we just reached the London highs. So that was basically what we're just waiting for. So that's nice to see. So yeah, we've first reached the London highs, guys. So your guys' anticipation wasn't that good. I gotta be honest. It was close. It was alright. Okay. What is price going to do next? It's kind of like a consolidation, to be honest. It's not that nice to be caught in a trade at the moment, I would say so. It's not like very bad, but it's, at the same time, it's not that good. Maybe I could see. Yeah, there's not really much to say, to be honest. We're just waiting. We're just waiting to see if where price is going to go. If you were to enter based on this trade entry, you I'm going. It would have been in train for like what? Let me just check. For like 14 minutes. All right, that's decent. How long are you guys trades like regularly? Because I think the average, I think it's like 5 minutes or something. Average, um, like lasting trade entry, if we call it that. Yeah, I don't really know what to call it actually, but yeah, I think it's around there. So we're just waiting, seeing what price wants to do. Hmm. It's kind of just consolidation at the moment. Um. Okay, so we have a SMT at this high right here. You know, the London highs. We do have a SMT at the moment. So yeah, it can mean a reversal, but I don't really think so. I think this trade entry is probably going to succeed, as we are seeing right now. So yeah, we're kind of seeing, you know, that bullish trend up here. That's nice to see. Immediate rebalance right here. We did see that. Okay, so we do have kind of like immediate rebalance right here. I want to see that push price higher all the way up to the equal highs. Not really many trade opportunities at the moment. Yeah, not on the 1 minute also. Hmm. Reach down there. Now the question is just, are we going to reach, you know, this strong liquidity by the end of the AM session? Because I would like to see that if we're like extremely bullish. Uh, no immediate rebalance at the moment. Okay, order block here, maybe. Maybe, maybe not. I think we're actually going to get an order block right here. And it's actually a propulsion block because we have like a order block down here. So a propulsion block here, that's very nice to see. Yeah, we're going to reach the strong liquidity now. So it's been a pretty successful AM session, to be honest. That's very nice. Yeah, order block right here. Probably going to use that for support, pushing price higher. And ES at the moment. If we look over here. Yes, we can see, yeah, it also pretty much trading around that London high area. So maybe there's possibility before price going all the way up here for the equal highs. There's a possibility. Just saying. I'm in Q. Right there. So yeah, looking very nice. Price action isn't that bad, to be honest. It has been worse today. So that's definitely nice to see. Yeah, it looks like we're going to reach the high within this next 2 minute candle or so. That is very nice. Yeah, it's probably going to reach now up here. So yeah, saw that. We're very close. And yeah, we're probably going to reach up here. So yeah, we're probably going to reach within this like next 2 minute candle or so. I think maybe not. So we're just waiting to see if price wants to go up here. That's the question. Have we reached an on in Q? I don't think so. I don't think there's so much different there. So yeah, I think was some great opportunities within this bullish leg. There was definitely this one down here, as we saw. So basically, we predicted like this whole trade entry, which was very nice to see. How many points was that? It's like, let me just check. 180 points, 108 points. That's very nice. That's pretty good for a trade entry here in a late NNQ session. Yeah, so. We're probably going to reach this high within the next 20 minutes or so, you know, the rest of the AM session. So that is nice to see. I don't really know how much longer we're going to see this bullish price action. Maybe it's going to slow down after we reach the strong liquidity. That's the question. Kind of just waiting now. Yeah, it's probably going to reach up here in about, I think, next 2 minute candle. We're just waiting, you know, we're very close to this high. Very close to the high. So we're just waiting, seeing if price wants to reach up here. Doesn't look like it, to be honest. But yeah, I think I'm just going to end the stream right now. It's been a good stream, about 1.5 minutes or so, 1 minute and 15. So yeah, I'm going to end the stream now. It's been a nice stream. See you guys.